Okay guys, right, this is tutorial 3. I've been asked to show a little bit more on scraping, so what I'm going to do today is we're going to scrape forum. I'm going to show you how easy it is to go from page to page. For a laugh, we go to Blackhatworld. Okay, that's where we all started, isn't it? So TikTok's big at the moment, so here we go. Press the record button, guys. Click, which I didn't do, instead I always do. Hit start, record. Okay, I'm going to go to Blackhatworld. Right, I've already got this URL, okay, and this is going to take us to Blackhatworld forums and Southern TikTok. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to look for grabbing forum titles. Okay, so same again, go down, literally click, so simple guys. Okay, parse data. Okay, okay, typing text, text. Okay, this gets you great ideas for creating videos, creating topics. You know, it's all relevant stuff as well. So you can come in here every day and scrape. You know, you can go back. You know, as far as you want. So okay, we found 12 results. We've got text. This is exactly what we want. Okay, so let's add this to our project. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, now remember list. I'm going to pass the data to list. Our list is down here. Okay, okay, right. Let's click out of here. Then what we want to do is go to the next page. Now the easiest way I've found to do this is just by looking at the URL structure. So I'm going to turn off recording for a minute. Okay, right. Look on page 2. You notice up here. Okay, it's added. Okay, page 2 at the top. Okay, page 3. Okay, so I found the easiest way is literally. Sorry about the dog. Let me start recording again. 1 second, guys. Wait a second. He's a good dog, really. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to start by creating a variable. Okay, variable processing. Okay, okay, right. I'm going to set the value in this variable. Okay, to 0. Okay, I'm going to call this give this variable a name, and then we'll just call this loop. Okay, this is going to create a loop. Okay, so we've got it on 0. Okay, so we've created a variable. So we can come in here and create our variable 0. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to each time we go down and scrape this data, okay, we're going to increase that by 1. Okay, so we variable processing again, and now we want to increase counter loop, increase value by 1. Okay, okay, now we're going to increase by 1 each time we go and scrape this data. Okay, so parse data. Okay, I'm going to come back. Okay, and it's going to increase by 1. Okay, now what we want to do is go to here, but let's touch URL, copy it over. Okay, and where it says 2, okay, we want to add our variables. So set from our loop, since it's going to add the number that it increases. See what it's doing now, and it's going to load that page. Okay, so okay, so we've got this here now. Okay, so it's going to come in. We're going to go to 0 first. Okay, and then we're going to increase by 1 each time. Okay, so come down here. So what we want to do is once it's increased its value, I'm going to come back to here. Okay, and this will just keep looping. Okay, and it's increasing. Okay, each time. Right. So let us okay click restart and see how it works out. Yes, step by step. Okay. Here we go. Clear cookies. Okay. Okay, we've added 0. We're going to go to here. So it's going to page 1. I'm going to pass that data. Increase. Okay. Back. Okay. Just going to push another one in a second. Here we go, page 2. Okay, ready? Page 3. Okay, it's as simple as that. Okay, we're just creating a simple loop. Okay, and this will just go on and on and on until you put, you want to get page 10 where you need to put something in to execute it. So you can do this in the project maker if you want, or you can do this within your program either way. Okay, so let's see if we can bring up view content. Look, here we go. And you've got all these ideas. You can make topics on. You can use for posting into Facebook groups, Twitter, any social media. They're just very relevant. You can set another bot up now that will create content for this. You can. It's got an API in here for like Article Forge. You could run this through Article Forge, post to Facebook groups, or post to WordPress. It's really that simple. Now this, if you just to let this run, it goes super fast, so you want to put a pause in there. And obviously, when you're scraping data from websites, if you're sending too many requests to that website, your IP is going to get banned. So, be respectful, because you can take down websites with this if you send too many requests. You can cause up problems. So, easiest way is just to put a pause in there. Just be respectful. And just pass the data that you need. If you need to do anything for any other reason, you can use proxies and stuff, okay? But you shouldn't need to. You could just pass into it. And most forums will have this sort of URL structure. You just look at it and you can quite easily see how it's increasing. Okay, right, well, that's just a quick video, guys. And I'm just going to try and do some quicker videos now rather than longer ones. Just more bite size so you can get an idea of what's going on. Okay, cheers guys, thanks.